How to fix a known hard error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first step is fix the corrupted system files. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. All these commands are given in the description of this video. Run system files checker command. Copy from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once completed, run these three DISM tools. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Run the second line, copy from the description, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, copy the last line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. After running these commands, close the command prompt and close the other running tasks and restart your computer. The next method is run a chkdsk scan. Click on search, type cmd, click on run as administrator, type chkdsk space /f space your drive name. Press enter. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Type exit, hit enter and restart your computer. During the reboot, the hard drive will be checked and repaired. The next method is restore your system to an older state. Click on search, type restore, click on create a restore point. Here select system restore, click on next. Check the box for show more restore points. Check the date and time before the error started appearing and click on next. Click on finish. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. This will take a long time, so wait until then and check if the error is fixed. Perform a clean boot. Click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box for hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. Now click on the Startup tab. Select Open Task Manager. Make sure that all the startup programs are disabled. Phone link is enabled on my computer. When any program is enabled, right click on the program and select Disable. Make sure that all the programs are disabled. Then close the Task Manager. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Here, click on Restart. After restarting, the error should be fixed. Now check for malware. Click on Search. Type Security. Click on Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on the Scan Options link. Check Full Scan and click on Scan Now. Once the scanning is completed, you will receive a notification. If any threat is found, delete them following the guidelines. If any methods don't work, reset Windows 11. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Click on Reset PC. Here are two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Select the option on your preference. If you have kept important data on your computer, we would suggest to remove everything. But before choosing this option, make sure that you have saved your important data to another drive. If you have so many important data, then you can select Keep My Files. Click on Local Reinstall. This will remove apps and files. Do not clean the drive. Delete all files only from the Windows drive. Delete provisioning packages from your workplace. Reinstall Windows. Click on Next. Click on Reset to complete the process. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.